Many poultry farmers feed their birds every day, but never weigh their birds. At the end of the production cycle, they discover that their broilers are too small and they now lose money. In today's training and video, I will show you how you are going to weigh your birds weekly. The reason you must weigh your birds so that you now make money after the production cycle. Welcome to Fresh Manna Agro Academy. Here we train farmers and the beginners on poultry farming and agriculture. In today's video, we are going to show us how you are going to know if your birds are growing well. It is a weekly weigh check. You must weigh your birds, you must weigh your broilers every week so that we know if your broilers are growing well or they are not growing well. If your broilers are attaining or they are getting to the normal weight they're supposed to get to, the standard weight, or they are not even getting to the weight. So in today's video, we are going to show us how you will weigh it. What do you use? What are you going to use to weigh it? Why must you weigh it? If you don't weigh your broiler birds, what are the repercussions? What are the things that you may lose if you don't weigh your broiler birds? Number one reason why you must weigh your bird weekly is that so as to monitor the growth rate of your birds. If you don't weigh your bird weekly every week, you can't know their growth rate. You can't know whether they are attaining the standard weight. There is a standard weight for every bird. Broiler has its own standard weight. Layers have its own standard weight. Likewise, turkey, either local or foreign turkey. Every bird has its own standard weight. So if you don't weigh your bird, you will not know the standard weight that your birds must attain. So for you to know the standard weight, it is compulsory, it is mandatory, so that you will not lose money to weigh your birds, your broiler birds every week. You must weigh it every week for you to monitor their growth rate, to monitor the growth rate of your birds, either they are developing or not. Another reason why poultry farmers must weigh their birds weekly is that so as to detect the feeding problem early. Some feed are not quality, while some are quality. How can you know whether your feed is not quality? Is by weighing your birds. Let's say your bird is supposed to take 1 kg, for example, and it's just 500 grams. You must know without being told that your birds, that the problem might be from the feed. So because of this, you now weigh your bird. You can detect the error. You can monitor the error on your farm, on the feeding. So now, by weighing your bird weekly, you will detect the feeding problem as early as possible. Another reason why poultry farmers, why broiler farmers must weigh their birds weekly is to identify the health challenge. Some birds are sick. You might not know. Some birds are sick. They are diseased. How are you going to know? Some birds have health challenge. How are you going to know? By weighing your birds weekly. It will give you the knowledge of this thing that my birds are weak, my birds are having disease, my birds are not strong. So by weighing your birds daily, you will know whether they are having health challenges or not. Another reason why you as a farmer or beginner or intending farmer must weigh your poultry birds weekly is to ensure that your birds reach market weight on time. Your birds must reach market weight. The weight, a certain weight that your birds must have, it must get to it. It must get to this weight. It must reach this weight on time. You must reach the market weight on time so that you will not be wasting your time on the farm. You must not be wasting your time on the farm. So your birds must reach market weight on time. Another reason why you as a farmer must be weighing your birds weekly is to maximize profits. You need to maximize profit. Am I getting profit? Or my neighbors, people that are helping me, the attendants, they are not stealing my feed. If you weigh your bird and you don't get the actual kg that you're supposed to get from birds, so we may have so many reasons to this. So to maximize profit, you must be weighing your birds every week. 7 days you must weigh your bird. Now, how How do you weigh birds? How can you weigh your bird? What are the steps in weighing birds? What are the rules you must follow in weighing your birds? Number one thing is that you must take note if you want to weigh your bird is that depending on the quantity of the bird, depending on the number of your birds, you can take average of 20 to 100 birds randomly. Just take about 20 to 100 or 150 birds depending on the quantity. Let's say you have just 100 broiler birds now. You may take 10 to 20 or 10 to 15 birds. Just take it randomly in a group. Just take 10 to 20. Don't select the big ones, and also you must not select the small ones. So just take it randomly. By doing so, you will know the quantity, the weight of your bird. Also, you must use a weighing scale. Use digital scale. By using digital scale, you will know the actual kg, the actual weight of your bird. Please use the weighing scale, use the digital scale in weighing, in taking the quantity, in taking the weight of your bird. You must use the normal scale, use the weighing scale. Also, you will record the weight down. Put it down and record it. Don't put it on your head, so that you will keep it somewhere. After a week that you are taking the another weight, you will now check the previous weight. Are they okay? Is the weight okay? Does it meet the standard weight? Does it mean the normal weight that's supposed to meet? So you have to record it down. You have to put it down. Write it somewhere. Keep it somewhere. Another thing that you must do, another step you must take if you want to take the weight of your bird is that you now calculate the average weight. In farming, in poultry farming, we use average weight. The average, let's say you have taken the weight of 500 or 100 birds, you take the average weight. Is the average weight we need? If the average weight meets the standard one, average weight, you are okay, you are good to go. Your birds are doing well. So you now calculate the average weight. After calculating the average weight, you now know whether your birds meet the standard weight that the poultry birds must meet on the farm. Now, having known that and having done that, there's a guide that we use on the farm that maybe after 1 week, your broilers are supposed to have reached this standard, this weight. After 2 weeks, they're supposed to have reached this weight. Day 7, which is week 1, the average weight of your broiler shouldn't be less than 180 gram. At least the average weight should be 180 gram. It should be 180 gram. By doing this, you know, no, they are okay. Day 14, which is week 2. Day 14, which is week 2, the average weight should be around 450 gram. Should be around 450 gram. Week 3, which is 21 days, the average weight should be around 900 gram. The average weight should be around 900 gram. Week 4, which is 28 days, the average weight should be around 1.4 kg. Around 1.4 kg. Week 5, the average weight should be around 1.9 or 2 kg. 1.9 kg or 2 kg. Week 6, the average weight of your bird, which is standard average weight, should be around 2.3 kg to 2.5 kg. You might get 2.7, 2.8, even 3 kg, but the average weight, some are smaller in weight. Average weight at the week 6 should be around 2.3 kg to 2.5 kg. That is the standard broiler weekly weight guide. Now, why must we even weigh our broiler? Reasons why broiler may not grow well. Why your broilers, despite that you are trying your best, some are not going well. Now, you want to know reasons why these broilers may not grow well, despite everything you are putting, despite your energy, despite your feed, despite everything you have introduced, you are giving them. Some are not even weighing, they are not getting the normal weight. Why? What are the reasons why this broiler may not grow well? Number one reason, please listen very well, is poor feeding. Some broilers are poorly fed. They don't give them the feed. Some feed will just pour away. When you're supposed to have changed your feeders to hungry feeder, some they are still giving them chick tray, they are still putting their feed inside chick tray, such broiler will not grow well because they will waste it, they will spread it on their shavings, they will waste their feed. You may think that today I get my broiler 5 bags, whereas they only eat 3 bags out of that 5 bags. So they must not be poorly fed. You must not allow your birds to be poorly fed. Second reasons why your broilers may not grow well is that inadequate feeding. If the feed is not okay, it's not enough. Let's say you should give your broilers 5 bags today. You now say there's no money. You give them 3 bags, 2.5 bags, 4 bags. They will not grow well. They will not give you the normal weight. You will not attain the normal weight you're supposed to attain in your broiler. So please, let's give them the adequate feeding. Let's introduce the standard feeding. Number 3, why your broilers may not grow well is disease problem. If your broiler are having diseases like Newcastle disease, like Gumboro disease, and so on, like fowl disease, they will not grow well. They will not even eat the food. Even some will be eating, but they will not still grow well. So if you now want your bird to grow well, you must treat their diseases. Now, by weighing your bird weekly, you will know that this thing is not growing. What happens to it? You now discover that they are having diseases. So we must weigh your bird regularly. Another reason why your birds may not grow well is that poor ventilation. If the place is not, if your pen is not having good aeration, if the heat is too much, they will not grow well. No matter the quantity of feed you give them, they will not grow well. If the place is not well ventilated, if they are not receiving fresh air, enough fresh air, they will not grow well to the normal standard. So please and please, when you are constructing your poultry pens, make sure that the place is well constructed in such a way that they will have good aeration. Another reason why your birds will not grow well, despite the feeding you are giving them, is overcrowding. When your poultry house is overcrowded, when you're supposed to put 200 birds, you put 250 birds, you put 300 birds, the place will be overcrowded. There will be too many. So as a beginner, as a farmer, poultry farmer, you must make sure that you put the normal numbers of your bird inside their pen. Don't let it be too crowded so that you will not lose your bird, so that your bird will attain the normal weight. We know that if they attain the normal weight, that is our gain. That is the reason why we are giving them food, why we are doing all these things we are doing. So make sure that the place is not overcrowded. Having known that, there are some tips that we must ensure if we want our birds to grow well. There are some tips that we must put in place if you want our birds to grow well. Number 1 is that we must use good quality feed. Give good quality feed to your birds. Don't produce or don't buy low quality feed. Give them good quality feed. Make sure that the feed is having high quality, is of high quality, is of good quality. Please and please give them good quality feed. Also, you must provide clean water. Give your birds clean water. They too, they want clean water. Don't give them water that is not good. Give them quality water. Let them drink quality water. Treat your water normally. Treat it when you're supposed to treat your water. Make sure that your birds, they are being given quality water. Also, good ventilation. These are the tips. These are the things you must put in mind. Your poultry pen must be well ventilated. There must be cross ventilation. By doing so, your birds will attain the normal weight, the standard weight weekly. Another thing is that you follow the proper vaccination schedule. Follow the proper vaccination schedule. When you're supposed to give them the vaccine, give it to them. By doing so, your poultry birds will attain the normal weight. Also, avoid overcrowding. We have said that before. Don't overcrowd your poultry house. Put the standard standard numbers of birds inside the poultry pen. Don't overcrowd them. Conclusively, we know that weighing our birds weekly is one of the management practices that we farmers, poultry farmers, or intending broiler farmers, poultry farmers, must carry out weekly. Weighing of your birds, you must carry it out weekly, and it's one of the standard management practices that is required from every poultry farmer. You must carry out your weighing weekly so that we know if you will make money, if your broilers, if they are attaining normal weight, if at the end of the production cycle you now discover that your broilers are not having the normal weight, there is nothing you will do by then. It would have been you can't do anything again. So it's better you do it weekly, you do it early, for you to know what you are going to do, so that you will prevent it before it's too late. If you find our videos helpful, if you find our training helpful, please, we want you to share our content with another person, intended farmers, so that they too will know the importance of weighing their birds weekly, so that they too will not fall victim of not weighing birds weekly. Also, we want you to like our channel, we want you to subscribe to it, also want to share to others. Let me ask this question: do you weigh your poultry birds weekly? Do you weigh your birds weekly? Or when do you even weigh your bird? Let's see it in the comment section.